Alright, so this is delivery from OnePlus 2, delivered by UPS Courier. I also ordered some accessories. Let's see, find out what we have got out of the box. Looks like this is the actual phone here, and in this it looks like there are some accessories. This is our order separately. This is not part of this together, but this is. Let's open this. Is the box. Say, yeah. Here is a phone we're waiting for. Wow, pretty cool. Looks very nice. Lighter than mine. It's brand new, right? And you get this charger with it. Yeah, this is USB-C. Yes, USB-C. And you got yeah, dash charger for GB, dash plus. Let's try turn it on. There's something in the yeah. Oh, looks like it's coming with the screen, the protector, yeah, and you also got this pin to change your SIM card, and what else we have got? It's a nice cover. Wow. And what's in here? It's instruction, and you got some OnePlus safety. This is my old OnePlus 2, and this is new OnePlus 6. SIM card tray is on the left side of your phone, so use your SIM card remover. Remove your tray. So get dual SIM card. And SIM is in. Right, I've inserted the SIM now. Let's put the phone in protector. And let's try to turn it on now. It's turning on. So it's 128 gig, 8 GB RAM. Alright, so that's phone, it's setting up, and while it updates and take my backup from my old device, let's open and find out what's there in the accessories. Let's open the accessories box. Wow. So this is the unboxed accessories phone of OnePlus 6. It's a phone case, and this is additional dash charger, This is C-type OTG cable. Let's check it out. So this is in dash. And here is the set of earphones. Say this is a set of earphone from OnePlus. Of earphones. It is really a good quality headphones. To charge your phone fast in your car. And what else is here? Looks like this is the screen protector. Yeah. Right, yeah, that's it then. So this is the case which came with X-ray OnePlus 6, designed by OnePlus. Let's open and find it out. Harder than what comes with the phone. The phone is a bit the one cover which comes with the phone is a bit soft, whereas this is harder. But yeah, it's soft inside here. And it fits perfectly. All right.